second visualization we're going to create is a report and a visualization that shows for each country the minimum sales price, the maximum sales price, and the average sales price, and that enables the user to drill down by make. So I started by opening up a new page by clicking on the plus next to page 1, and then dragging country name into the visualization, dragging sales price into the map, changing it to a clustered column chart, making that column chart a little bigger, and then dragging sales price into the values twice more, and then I'll change the first one to minimum, the aggregation method on the second occurrence to average, and then the third one to maximum. So now I have the visualization that I wanted to start with. I can make it take up the entire left pane by clicking on focus mode. So that makes it a little larger. I can then go back to report and go back to my original visualization. Now, in order to make this into a drill down, I'm going to change this first to a matrix table. And let me now take the focus mode so it becomes a little larger. We can see what we're doing. And then we'll do is we'll drag make into the rows field below country name. And now you see what we get is what looks more like a matrix table. You also see a number of new icons at the top. The second one, the down arrow, switches on the drill down. So if I click on that one, then now I get a drill down. And what I can do is I can drill down by clicking on the two arrows here. That takes me to the next level in the hierarchy. But unlike what we did in PowerView, we now look at the numbers for all of the make. So it's as if we had started the visualization with make and then added, or the report with make, and then added the actual numbers, measures to it. If I want to drill down by country, then all I have to do is click on the plus here. I can drill down by all countries at the same time by clicking the split arrow at the top. And that gives me the drill down by all countries. Now, there is a problem though, and the problem will become clearer if we change this into a clustered column chart. If I now drill down using the split arrow, you'll see what happens. Somehow the order in which the various country name make pairs are listed no longer makes a lot of sense, at least wasn't what we started with. The reason is that when we do this, then the way in which Power BI is going to order the various columns in the clustered column chart is based on the value of the first measure that we have in the values field. So in this case, they're going to be ordered by minimum sales price. I can change that by clicking on the More Options 3 dots button at the top, and then do Sort By. And now I can change the column, the field that Power BI is going to use to sort the various columns in the clustered column chart. So if I click on that, then now I get them in an order that makes a bit more sense. So I get all the US data, then all of the United Kingdom data, then all of the Switzerland data, and so on.